Hi everyone, today I have the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G with me. I'll just take off the case, set him aside, and there we go, we have the OnePlus. So let's have a look at the back. We have 3 cameras at the back with a flashlight, and we have the OnePlus logo in the center, and coming towards the right we have the volume rockers. As you can see over here, we have it in one single piece. And coming to the left, we have the slider and we have the power button. Coming at the top, we have the noise cancellation. Coming at the bottom, we have the charging port, the SIM tray, and the speakers. So let me turn on the phone. Okay, so it says powered by Android. It's gonna take a while. Look at that, there is some animation going on there. So now how to draw the pattern. Okay, there we go, we have the screen turned on. I've been using this phone for a couple of weeks. Okay, let me increase the brightness. And the main thing what I want to show you about this phone is that it's curved. Look at that, we have some screen displaying over there. Look at that, we see brightness of the screen over here. Okay, so let's talk about the software. So to do that, I'll go to settings, go all the way up till about device. As you can see, it's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So this is 256 and 12GB variant. As you all can see, the bezels are very less, and it's a major improvement by OnePlus. Let me show you the wallpapers. Here we go, and there we go. All type of wallpapers, animations. And it's 120 Hz, and you can reduce it to 60 Hz if you want to save the battery. And we have some more of the wallpapers coming down. We have some static ones, and here the live and recent album, all of that. So now let's hear the speakers. Go to YouTube, and I'm gonna play one of my own videos. I'll increase the volume. Okay.
Hey, what's up guys, this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The storage goes from 128GB all the way up to 1TB, and the screen size of this mobile is 6.7. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is 6.7, and
Okay, I hope you've liked it. And I think if you ask me personally, the speakers are quite loud, even though we have only 2 speakers at the bottom. So now let's have a look at the camera. Okay, now I'm gonna place this, and look at that. Just gonna take a pic of this. Okay, nice shattering sound. And let me just tell you that we have 8K recording, but this comes only with 24 FPS. Okay, so as you can see, this is a pic I took just now, and you can see the textures on that case. And the lighting's good. Now another main thing what I want to tell you about the waterproofness of this phone is it's rated IP55, which means it's not that durable in water. Like a few drops of water here and there must be fine. I'm not sure about it, but still it's not waterproof completely. Let me just turn on the flashlight and just show you how it's gonna look, the look and feel of this mobile. Look at that, it's extremely bright. And you can see the refresh rate. Let me show you how the refresh rate is gonna look when it's on 60 Hz. So this is the standard motion of the phone, and it's very opposite to that of the 120 Hz. Look at that, it's buttery smooth. I have customized my mobile by making it look like an iPhone by just having the bar over there and just a bit of swipe from the right or left to go back to get one step back. The battery is very durable. So that's it for this video. If you've liked this, please drop a like and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.